Hi everybody, welcome to my new video. My name is Georgi and I'm here today to give my reaction to the Lithuanian song for the Eurovision Song Contest 2022 performed by Monika Liu, and the song is called Sentimentai. I hope I pronounced it right. And I'm gonna give my reaction to her performance in the national selection, in the final of the national selection. So before I start, if you want to see my future reactions about future Eurovision songs, you can subscribe to my channel and check out what I have to say about the rest of the songs. And I'm also going to do videos about movies, languages, all kinds of stuff. So if you're interested, subscribe to my channel. If you're not, then thank you anyways for watching this video at least. So I'm going to play the performance now and give my reaction to it. I always say how important the opening of the song is, especially in Eurovision, and I think her opening is really good. It attracts us right away. It's basically like knock, knock, knock. And I love the sound and I love her style because she looks like she came from the past to 2022, and she really looks really good and sounds amazing, of course. I love this song. There's something magical, there's something captivating about this song that I really like. And I'm so happy that it's in Lithuanian, because that's the magic of having the platform such as Eurovision, is to present your language as well. See, I have no idea what she's singing about. I assume Sentimentai is sentiment, but the song still gets to me and I like it. And she's such a charismatic performer, she starts singing and she has this magic on stage that makes everybody want to see what she's going to do next. Even if she just does this with her hand, it has something special to it. I think she's doing a great job. I really like how they sound. As I said, like it's like she came from the past to the present, and she brought this sound with her and the style with her, and it just fits so well. I hope she doesn't change it to English. I don't think this song needs any English. She's probably going to do some editing of her performance, which is fine. I like this one as well, but obviously it's not the same, when you're performing at the national selection of your country and the big stage in Turin. I think the jury is going to love this. I think the jury is going to go crazy for this. And also the televoters will support her enough for sure. Classic. So that was Monika Liu. That was my opinion of her song and performance in Pabandom Ishnaujo. I think it's read like that. If it's not, I'm sorry. Yeah, as I said, I really like this. I really like that it's really authentic. It's magical. It has something very unique to it, especially since it's in Lithuanian. There will be obviously no other song in Lithuanian in the Eurovision, so she will stand out. She already stands out with this sound and her look. Plus, she's singing in Lithuanian, and I think this is a great choice. This is very good to send to Eurovision, and I'm sure that it will be rewarded. The semi-final one looks like a really tough battle, but I still think that this song, as of now, will make it to the final, and I really think it will. But obviously we have to wait and see what the rest of the countries have to offer to us. But at this moment, I think Lithuania is definitely going to be back in the final this year. So what do you guys think of Lithuanian song? What do you think of Monika's song Sentimentai? What do you think of its chances in the Eurovision Song Contest 2022? Let me know in the comments below. And what can I say? Good luck, Monika, and see you in Turin. I mean, I'm not going to go to Turin, but anyways, that's the same. Nevertheless, thank you so much for watching the video. And tune in to see my future videos if you're interested. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and ciao.